I have created the space now where I have my most used items. Hi, I'm Cindy and welcome to my kitchen. I would like to show you a few things that I've done recently to really help me use my space better, declutter my mind, and really declutter my space. So here we go. A lot of times there's an open space under the cooktop. So what I've done is I have created the space now where I have my most used items. I have my favorite seasonings all right in here. I have my favorite utensils that I immediately can use, and then I just shut this easily. Another big benefit is that a lot of times under your cooktops you don't have any vertical spacing on the top. So what happens is that you end up piling everything on the bottom. But now, as you can see, I easily created 2 levels of space that's incredibly usable. It all comes out to me, and now I am able to keep the most used items on the top. I'm actually able to stack some items on their sides so that I don't have to do a lot of stacking. And again, everything is coordinated right where it belongs. So now, as I cook, it's right there at my fingertips.